Hey everyone, welcome back. If Fiverr backup is not working, do not worry, this is a simple issue to fix. First, check your internet connection because backup needs stable Wi-Fi. Next, make sure you're signed in into your iCloud account like Google Drive or your iCloud. Now check if you have enough storage space in your cloud account. Go to settings, then iPhone storage and check your storage. Now if the backup still fails, restart your phone and try again. Make sure your Viber app is updated to the latest version. You can also try logging out and logging back in into your iCloud account. If nothing works, long press on the app, remove app, delete app, then delete the app. After deleting it, go to the App Store, search for Viber and reinstall the app again. Now your Viber backup should work properly. Thanks for watching and see you in the next guide.